Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, interesting day on the calendar, 12-12-12. What's everybody going to be doing today at 12-12? Overnight, prices are lower. Beans are down about 10 cents, corn and wheat down about 2 cents. We had initial buying, a little bottom picking, a little bit of commercial buying after yesterday's losses, but then we had some more fund selling come in that has prices lower now. There are rumors floating around that the U.S. will float another stimulus package called QE4 today, and we'll see how that impacts commodity and stock prices. Right now the dollar's lower, stocks are higher, and most commodities are higher. After the USDA report yesterday, we saw some numbers kind of floating around as far as U.S. 2012-13 supply and demand. Most people in the beans agree with the USDA's number of 130 million bushels. That's tight. But South American weather right now is favorable, and we probably could hit a wall in March of 2013 where demand shifts from the United States to South America, and that could be a little bit negative to prices. We also are assuming next year that we'll have normal U.S. weather, and that could also be negative to soybean prices. Over in the corn, most estimates are actually a little bit higher than the U.S. Unchanged estimate. People are lowering their export number. South Korea did buy some U.S. corn overnight, but the majority of the tender went to Latin America, so there is still competition for U.S. corn exports. Here again, people think more corn acres next year and a trend yield will send prices lower when we get closer to, let's say, April, May, or June, if the weather in the United States is better than it is now. Over in the wheat, big sell-off yesterday as the USDA raised the carryout and lowered U.S. exports. We continue to wait for buyers to come in and buy our wheat, but so far they haven't really showed their hand yet. We also are watching U.S. Southern Plains weather, which is dry, but it looks like right now fund selling and liquidation below key support areas is the dominant feature in the wheat market. For the next 30 days, we're going to be trading mostly South American weather. We're cleaning up year-end positions, probably a low volume trade, and without a South American weather problem and concerns about fiscal cliffs, we probably could trend a little bit lower. Again, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM and ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
I mean, literally, you had a $4.